Welcome to this fun and stylish DIY, where we create a stunning double chain pendant choker. Let's get started. We'll need a flat square bead with 2 holes on each side to create a unique double chain pendant choker. You can find this flat square bead with 2 holes online at jewelry supply stores. Choose a 3mm cable chain for this project. Its sturdy yet delicate design perfectly complements the flat square bead for a stylish look. We also need an extension chain to make the choker adjustable. We'll need big and small jump rings to securely connect the chains and attach the closure clasp. Use jewelry pliers, including round nose, flat nose, and cutters. Let's get started by using 20-gauge black wire, offering flexibility and strength for securing the bead and connecting the choker components. Use a plier cutter to cut a piece of 20-gauge black wire. Use round or concave pliers to carefully make a loop. Place the wire into the concave pliers at the desired point and carefully bend it to form a half loop. Hold the tip of the wire firmly with round nose pliers and carefully twist it to create a double loop. Use a nose plier to twist the wire around itself, forming a secure loop. For extra security, I use a double loop, ensuring a strong and durable connection. After making a loop, use a plier cutter to trim the excess wire. Insert the looped wire into the hole of the pendant bead. On the other side of the bead, we are going to create another loop, ensuring a balanced and secure pendant connection. Place the plier close to the pendant and carefully twist the wire around the plier. Hold the wire firmly with a nose plier and twist it twice, ensuring a secure and durable loop for your pendant. After making a loop, use a plier cutter to trim the excess wire. Use the nose plier to work around the loop, adjusting and securing it to ensure a perfect and polished finish. Cut another piece of wire using plier cutters to create another loop. Bend the wire at a 90-degree angle, creating an L shape, which helps in forming a secure and even loop. Use a concave plier to gently form a half loop. Twist the wire around the plier to form a double loop. Use the nose plier to assist in twisting the wire. You can use a long wire for a better grip when making a loop, ensuring easier handling and a secure connection. After making a loop, use a plier cutter to trim the excess wire. On the second pendant hole, carefully insert the looped wire, ensuring a secure and balanced connection for your choker design. This is the last loop. Make sure to create a tight and secure loop to ensure durability and a polished finish. Hold the bent part of the wire with round nose pliers, positioning the pliers near the bend but not right at the end. Rotate the round nose pliers away from you, creating a partial loop. Continue rotating the pliers to complete the loop. Use wire cutters to trim any excess wire. If the loop is not perfectly centered, or if you want a specific size, you can use the round nose pliers to adjust the loop's size and shape. Using a ruler, measure 6 inches of chain and carefully cut it with plier. We need to cut 4 chain, ensuring each chain is the same length for a balanced and symmetrical choker design. To attach the pendant, I'm using the link of the chain for a clean and seamless look in the choker design. Carefully open the link at the end of the chain using pliers, insert it into the loop, and securely close it tightly to ensure a strong and polished connection. Repeat the process for the second chain. Open the link of the chain, carefully insert it into the loop, and securely close it. Move to the other side of the pendant and repeat the process. Open the link, carefully attach it into the loop, and securely close it. Let's do the last chain by repeating the same process, ensuring a secure and balanced attachment for the choker design. Open the largest jump ring, carefully insert both ends of the 2 chains, and securely close it for a strong connection. Open another jump ring of the same size on the other side of the necklace. Insert both chains securely, then close it tightly to ensure a strong and even connection. Open a small jump ring, insert it into the lobster clasp loop, then attach it to the previous big jump ring. Close it tight to ensure a strong and functional closure for the choker. Open the last jump ring, insert it into the big jump ring, attach the extension chain, and securely close it tight to ensure an adjustable and secure fit for the choker. Your beautiful chic choker is ready to wear, a stylish and elegant accessory perfect for any outfit or occasion. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay creative and keep making beautiful jewelry.